Hello, welcome back to another exciting project. Today, I'll show you how to build a motion detection call alert system using Arduino and SIM800L module. The system automatically detects motion and makes a call alert, making it perfect for security and automation. A few days ago, I made a similar project where a custom audio alert was played when motion was detected. If you want to check that project, you can visit my YouTube channel. Also, if you have any ideas for related electronics projects, let me know in the comments, and I'll try to make a video on them as well. You need a 2G SIM for the SIM800L module. You can see the SIM slot on the back side of the module. Place the SIM in the correct direction, insert it into the slot, and ensure it fits properly. After inserting the SIM, you need to power the SIM800L module using a buck converter because the module operates at 3.7 volt to 4.2 volt, and direct 5 volt from Arduino can damage it. A buck converter is a DC-DC step-down voltage regulator that converts a higher voltage, like 5 volt or 12 volt, into a lower, stable voltage, like 4 volt, required for the SIM800L module. It ensures the module gets the correct power supply for proper functioning. I am using 3.7 volt batteries to power the module. However, you can also use a 12 volt 2 ampere power supply if you prefer. The SIM800L module requires stable power, around 4 volt and 2 ampere current, to function correctly. If it doesn't receive proper power, it may restart frequently, fail to send SMS and calls, or lose network connectivity. Attach 12 volt power source to the input terminals of the buck converter. Adjust the output. Use a multimeter and turn the potentiometer to set the output voltage to 4 volt. You can see that 12 volt is coming to the input of the buck converter. Using the potentiometer, you can adjust the output voltage to the required level. Rotate the potentiometer slowly to adjust the voltage to around 4 volt, which is ideal for the SIM800L module. After that, I will insert the SIM800L module into the breadboard and follow this wiring diagram to make the correct connections. I will explain the code first. We need to communicate with the SIM800L GSM module. For that, we use the software serial library. Next, we define the pins for the SIM800L module. Pin 8 receives data from SIM800L TX. Pin 9 sends data to SIM800L RX. Now, let's define the phone number where the alert will be sent. Replace with your phone number, include country code. We initialize the serial communication for both Arduino and SIM800L. Serial.begin 9600. Go to Tools, Board Arduino Uno or Nano. Depending on your board, go to Tools. Select the correct COM port. Click on the Upload button. After uploading the code, you need to open the serial monitor. As you can see, as soon as it displays, SIM800L initialized successfully. This means our project is ready to work. Now, when I bring my hand near the sensor, the serial monitor shows motion detected, turning LED on and making call. This confirms that the motion is detected, the LED is on, and the call is being made successfully. Now our project is complete. To power the Arduino, we will use two 3.7-volt batteries. Before we move on to the final demo, I have a small request. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. If you have any questions related to this project, feel free to ask in the comments. You can also DM me on Instagram. Link is in the channel bio. You can see a small LED on the SIM800L module. If the LED is blinking very fast, it means the SIM is not detected. If the LED blinks every 3 seconds, it means the network is detected and the module is ready to use. And you can see that as soon as I bring my hand near the sensor, the blue LED turns on first, and then the call is made to the number we set in the code.